Hello, my name is Robert Chacon and today is January 27th, 2018. Today I'll be dissecting my chicken wing right here. I have my dissection kit right here, and I have the tools I'll be using, the scalpel, the forceps, my scissors. And I will now begin the dissection of my chicken wing. We'll first begin by removing the skin. And while I'm removing the skin, I will be cutting along, removing all the connective tissue from the muscle. The connective tissue, which I don't know if you can see right here, is this thin white clearish membrane right here. That's also called fascia. I gotta be really careful not to cut too deep, because if I'm trying to avoid from cutting any of the muscle tissue. We will need that a little bit later. As you can see, the skin and the fascia is tough to remove. It's protective. So I gotta be really careful when I'm cutting, so that way I don't accidentally cut something I'm not supposed to. I'm also going to be removing any adipose tissue that I see, because there is some on here, and remove that as well, so that way we can get a better look at the muscle fibers. Okay, we now have the muscle tissue exposed with all the skin and fascia removed. I had trouble getting some of the skin and fascia off, so I got what I needed to for this experiment off. So I will now manipulate the muscle to demonstrate flexion and extension of the muscles. So starting off, we have it in an extension position where it's all stretched out, and then you manipulating the muscle right here. Let's see if I can get it at a better angle. We got flexion going on, so flexion, extension, flexion, extension. I would do a little dance right here. Okay. So now I'm going to remove all the muscle from the bones, so that way we can view all the joints that are available to see within this chicken wing. So I will be back. I'm going to cut all this off, and when I come back, it'll be clean. Now we have most of the muscle fibers and any rest of the skin off, and we can look at some of the joints. We have the elbow joint right here, which is also known as the hinge joint. This joint allows movement and bending into many different functions for it, so that way the chicken can flap. This joint allows movement and bending, like I said, and this joint is a synovial joint, which is a joint that allows free-flowing movement, like it does right here. This concludes my dissection of the chicken wing. I'm going to take a couple pictures for my lab assistant, and that's it. Thank you.